Hey everyone, I'm coming to you from my backyard. As most of you know, we're all in kind of a lockdown mode due to coronavirus. So this is a great opportunity to get outside and fly UMX planes. Tonight I have my absolute favorite one out here tonight. This is the original UMX Timber on floats, and as you can see behind me. It is a perfectly calm, beautiful evening. I'll tell you, an airplane like the Timber here from E-Flite on a night like this is absolutely perfect. You don't have to go to a club. You don't have to go anywhere. I'm fortunate enough just to be able to walk out of my backyard and throw this thing in the air and fly it around and land it on the pond. It's definitely probably one of the best airplanes for a night like this. So you don't have to go anywhere special. You can just fly in your backyard. If you're lucky enough to have water behind you like I do, throw some floats on it. I'll tell you what, you guys cannot go wrong with the with the good old UMX Timber. Of course, there's a new UMX Turbo Timber out now. I have not flown that, but I'm sure it's just as awesome as the original. And one of my favorite times to fly the Timber, of course, is this type of conditions. It's dusk right now. It's a relatively warm spring evening out here. Dead calm conditions. Look at that. That pond is like a mirror. I think the only ripples in it are the ones from my last flight. So this is the type of conditions that are just perfect for a UMX plane, and there isn't anything better than the UMX Timber on a night like this, especially with these navigation lights going right here. It's just outstanding. So if you guys are stuck at home like I am and not able to get out to the flying club and you're looking for something fun to fly, I highly recommend the Timber or the brand new UMX Turbo Timber. Throw some floats on it if you got water, and if not, leave the landing gear on and fly it off just about anything. You can hand launch them as well. So anyway, that's it for one of my favorite flying locations, my backyard.